What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Ka Sorkar jala kala pelaj ka song pisah nyup kendai poinsan klur tingka Syakagaru Hills Autonomous District Council na kabenta ban siu pun kuj ya tulop ba sahteng jogi nongtrei jongki. Na baro kate ka pisah katwe klur tingka lamang ban siu Syakagaru Hills Autonomous District Council kat bahan ribu pra poinsan klur tingka kadai kum ka jing siu lupa advance ya ka bahak kajina jogi senam ban wan. Haba pun bena ya kania ha kat santrik risau Umentri rangba ukonrat ke sangma ulaong. Ngiladap siya ya kasong pisa kabah nyop kendai poin san klur tingka. Syakagaru Hills Autonomous District Council. Ha kabah katwe klur tingka kadang jing siya bagi day hok banyo. Bat kabatam ribu pra poin san klur tingka kadang jing siya lupa. Nakabenta ke kajana jonggis namban wan. Katkum kajing ong jongu ya kan kasong pisa lamang bat pelaj syaka escrow account. Kabalamang betek tang nakabenta ban siu ya katulop syaki nongtrei. Da kani kasong pisa ka GHADC menta kan la ban pelaj no ya katulop bakat ar bena jogi nongtrei ban rap konran. Umentri rangba ula ongru baka kendon ka baka Sorkar kelabu kalong ba principal secretary untuk benia ya kajing pendankam ya kapisa kenang menpentikna ba ya kani kapisa on pendankam bet tang hakabaya day bat katulop. Ngila banjur baka jimpen kala ka deban wan, ka service rules ka deban don, baka jinglum kajina ka deban kiyo. Ikermen ba anda barok kini ki aka kilayan haka linti. Ka badai, insa yoi ya ka jing scam haka liang ka pisa tingka ha GHADC ulaong. Ukonrat ula banjur baka ni kamde ka pisa balaay benrap syaka GHADC, Henry ka de ka jing siu lupa advance na kabahak kajina jongki hi. Ka Sorkar jala kala terwaru ya kan kaju kajing terwa syaki weipat ki ADC ka Giant Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC bat ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC bakan a ya kan kaju kajingaram Henry karai baneshim benta ne ban pediang ka syong hagini ki artli ki council ki weipat ki ADC GHADC bat GHADC kimpat pak satya ya kakai pot shangi bat ngin sanang ya penbet bat kini ki ADC kani ka jing terwa ka trekam ru yaki hidan hang ni om ban penbor ya noino hidan hang ni ban ya trelang bat ban kalshan kat kabala pun kod ukonran
cleared an amount of 79.5 crores to the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council today, out of which about 11 crores is their dues, which is there right now with us, and the rest of the 68.5 crores is an advance we are giving towards their share of royalty from the future. And so 79.5 crores has been sanctioned and money has been released to the escrow account. As you all know, an escrow account is a fancy name, but it's an account which is, in a way meant to be very, very particular for the salary disbursement, and an account which will be obviously, as I said, monitored in a manner so that the funds are used only for the salary purpose. So this has been done, and with this amount, the district council now will be in a position to release the 12 months backlog for their employees.
So the other ADCs have not come out with the report to us yet, and we will work with the ADCs. I want to make it very clear, as I said, the decision is very, very simple and very clear that this is not an additional amount that we're giving to them. This is an amount that is going from their own share. We are adjusting in the future the advance that we're giving to them. So this is their money. This is from their share, which we're releasing in advance. And the only condition that we have put is that we want a principal secretary to be there to monitor this finance so that it is not misused or diverted for any other purpose but for salaries. And that's where the escrow account has been opened, which will be meant and dealt by the district council. Nobody is going to run this account except the district council and the officials there, and the principal secretary will have the opportunity to monitor it. Obviously, because we're giving in advance and we want to ensure that the money is utilized for the salary. And we have also stressed on the fact that reforms should take place service rules should come into place, and revenue collection should go up. So we are hoping that when all of this falls into place, we will see some kind of a financial stability. And this offer and this discussion is on even with the Jaintia Hills and the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. But as I said, we are not here to force anyone. We are here to work together and to support and to help them in any way possible. If the councils agree, it's only then will we find a way to work together and to move forward.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.